Leader is participating in the Solar and Storage Live UK 2024 exhibition. The exhibition is located at Marston Green, England, United Kingdom. Leader booth is located at Hall 18 B63. With the rapid development of renewable energy, the efficiency and reliability of solar systems are particularly important. Our new solar cables use more advanced materials to ensure excellent conductivity in various harsh environments. Maximize your solar performance with Leader Solar wiring solution, making installation safer, faster, and easier through quality and innovation. We sincerely invite you to visit the Leader booth. We are committed to meeting the diverse needs of our customers and ensuring that every project can achieve optimal performance and safety. Looking forward to meeting you at Solar and Storage Live UK 2024.